Email marketing. Email spelling tips proofreading. As a professional business person, how do you want to be perceived? Even something as seemingly insignificant as spelling can determine whether others believe you're competent or sloppy. Take a moment, and think about that. Ask yourself, are my customers likely to want my services if I can't be bothered with the details of spelling? Choosing an autoresponder email service. In the internet marketing industry, keeping in close contact with your customers and potential customers is imperative to your success. You need a method of instantly responding to customer inquiries and a way to follow up with those who have expressed an interest in your business. An autoresponder will allow you to instantly respond to email marketing design tips to improve your open rates. Many email marketers frequently fail to realize that their subscribers' email application preview pane is the first opportunity their content has to attract the attention they require. And unfortunately, those that don't allow for a snapshot preview in their content design fall victim to lower than expected open rates as their subscribers are less likely. Autoresponders, excuse me, courtesy please. The autoresponder is fantastic and effective for increasing traffic to your website. It helps you save valuable time with its automated response function, emails concerning frequently asked questions about a service, product, or sending a greetings and welcome letter to new subscribers to your program, service. It helps to track the effectiveness of each and every one of. How I use email automatic responders. An email automatic responder or autoresponder is the second most important marketing tool I have to make money online. The first would be my hosting company. Without these two tools, my internet marketing business is dead in the water. In the world of internet marketing, millions of sites are fiercely competing with each other to a beginner's guide to ISP inbox delivery. We've discussed blacklisting. I wanted to spend some time looking at where the rubber hits the road for email delivery, the ISP inbox. Let's be very clear about this. For consumer-facing campaigns, there are 4 major ISPs that manage the majority of consumer inboxes. The importance of email and product development. Do you have your website up and running for your online business? How did you create your website? Your website should be a basic web page that is free of busy flash features and a myriad of options. The appearance of your website is just the beginning. Next, you need to work on your email database. How about a free prank email? First step, complete the address you want the email to be sent to. Then, you fill in the sender's email, subject, message and sender's name. Before you know it, you will become an anonymailer yourself. You will be joining other hundreds of internet users who send anonymous email messages each day. The best thing is Autoresponders Explained. If you've reached the point of exhaustion trying to keep up with answering the mountain of emails that threatens to bury you alive every single day, you're ready to learn about autoresponders. The bad news is that people expect prompt replies to their email inquiries. However, unless you can figure out how to work achieve the appropriate tone in email. Are your email messages too casual? Or, are they too formal? Are you using the appropriate tone? Email messages are different from typed letters. You can't be too formal in a letter. In an email, too formal looks silly. What's the appropriate tone for an email? Slightly more casual than a letter. Yet there's 5 surefire tips for effective email marketing. Over the past few years, research has continued to prove the benefits of email marketing for business. Low costs, high conversion rates and detailed tracking are all notable features. But email marketing is becoming much more than just a tool for spammers and e-businesses. Consumers are becoming increasingly savvy on the differences between spam and don't make this idiotic mistake. Build your list. Don't follow my idiotic mistake. Yes, it took me 2 years of trying to market online until I finally got this concept brutally pounded into my head. Build your darn list. If you have heard of this and haven't gotten around to doing it, you just spinning your wheels. I worked my rear off marketing. How do autoresponders work? Have you ever received an email telling you that the person you emailed is on vacation and will not be answering his email for the next week? What about a company that answers with an email thanking you for your interest and that they would get back to you in a day or 2? Or Successful HTML email marketing campaigns and Lotus Notes issues. As the online world changed in the 90s from informational to commercial and highly competitive, marketers embraced the new technology and the need has arisen to send graphically appealing newsletters and marketing messages. You have only seconds to capture attention, and the right picture will grab quicker than the right copy, as they say. 10 Best Tips to Write Effective Emails. Hello reader, nowadays, we communicate more and more through email. We use email communication to write something to friends, relatives, colleagues or clients. Whoever the recipient of your email, it is becoming very important that you write email effectively. As you know, by writing effective email, you can save your time, other person's time and increasing website activity through email signatures. Making sure your website has a steady amount of activity is one of the most important aspects to maintaining a successful website. Increasing website activity is one of the easiest ways you can make your site more popular as well as help your business if it is ran over your site. By using specific tools. Introduction to autoresponders. If you've reached the point of exhaustion trying to keep up with answering the mountain of emails that threatens to bury you alive every single day, you're ready to learn about autoresponders. The bad news is that people expect prompt replies to their email inquiries. However, unless you can figure out how to work continual autoresponders, do I need one? How would you feel if you could send out all the information that your potential customers have requested without checking your email? Sound good? While this may seem impossible, it is becoming more and more popular among the most successful internet marketing people. And the reason for this, an autoresponder. An autoresponder is an automatic. Using autoresponders in your direct sales business. Are you in a direct sales business and trying to figure out, like me, how to streamline your systems so that you can spend more of your precious business time working on income-generating activities? Well, I'm here to tell you that there are some simple steps you can take now to help your business. How to grab your readers' attention with your subject. The race for supremacy in the internet-based businesses has been really heating up, and many sites have been put up to help others to get ahead for a small fee. But there are also ways in which you don't have to pay so much to make yourself a good list of loyal followers. Having